known Mike for a while and we became friends, and I asked him if he minded helping us out with sponsorship with motor racing to try and relive my youth. And Mike came on board with M&S Renewables, and we finally got round to getting a quote off Mike, and the rest is history. The experience was really good. We lead busy lives, we've got kids and that. Mike came round, made time on a Sunday afternoon to come and see us. And before you know it, the guys were coming round with their surveys, and yeah, it was really quick. The installation process was straightforward. I thought it was going to be a lot more into it than there was. The scaffolding went up, and I was at work during the day, so my wife was here. They got on with it all, and by the end of the day, it was all up and running, ready to go. Yeah, the lads from M&S Renewables introduced us to the app, the SunSync app, and downloaded it for us, went through all the information that we've got and explained the lot. Really straight. Yeah, the benefit is amazing. I didn't think it would be as good as it actually is. It's insane. We've had it installed now for nearly, I think, 4 weeks, and we've hardly spent a penny on electric, and we've also sold back a lot to the grid. It's majorly beneficial. It's a no-brainer for me. We was unsure about having solar panels over the last 6 months and knowing Mike and that, but since we've had it, it's a no-brainer. The lads, they're all friendly, they're all polite, efficient, happy to answer any questions whatsoever. The company is really good.